Missing the CUDNN64 DLL file hurting your performance? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'm here to implement a permanent fix for your gaming stack. This DLL file is the NVIDIA CUDA Deep Neural Network Library version 8. It provides optimized routines for deep learning frameworks, allowing applications to perform high-speed neural network computations on NVIDIA hardware. Now that you know how the file works, let's focus on the how and fix the issue. This problem is usually rooted in a missing graphics or compute runtime dependency. Reinstall the Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime to restore the legacy DirectX architecture, then update your graphics drivers to ensure all hardware-related files for the CUDNN64 version 8 DLL are stable. If no luck was had with the redistributable package, we will escalate the fix by performing a targeted reset of the system state. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the CUDNN64 file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. Before concluding, I want to address a critical security consideration for maintaining your system's integrity. From a cybersecurity perspective, I must warn you never to download files like the CUDNN64 version 8 DLL from unofficial repositories, as these are often bundled with malware that can compromise your system's data integrity. Protect your workstation's long-term stability by utilizing a professional-grade diagnostic for routine environment checks. The link below points to a diagnostic utility that provides information on managing the CUDNN64 and maintaining system stability. Thank you for watching. To continue receiving professional-grade solutions for NVIDIA CUDA Toolkit and other PC errors, please subscribe to our support community.